As a general rule, however, the keep getting that bit wrong. Send help. Send more coffee, please. If you have any key or key... Now, another useful way to check to see if... don't put a picture. Go into the keyhole. Into the keyhole. Through the keyhole. Right, I'm actually going to demonstrate now another useful way to check. Will all go into the keyhole, which is also known as the keyhole. Right, I'm going to demonstrate now another really handy way that you can check to see if you need to order the right... Right, I'm actually now going to demonstrate another really handy way to check to see what key series... No. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate another really handy way you can check to... Check! No! Okay, I'm going to demonstrate another really handy way to identify... But you have that key... or key series you can... key from another similar office furniture. This is hard. This is a hard bit. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate now another really handy way you can identify the correct key series that you need to order. So, just breathe. This is my face after doing so many takes of this one paragraph. One paragraph. By a company called Lowe and Fletcher. So in this instance, I've forgotten the words completely and I need to explain something else.